Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or just starting out and looking to level up your video game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best vlogging cameras you can get your hands on right now, whether you're on a budget, chasing cinematic quality, or need something pocket-sized for on-the-go shooting. From crystal-clear 4K footage to unbeatable stabilization, these cameras will seriously upgrade your content. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting with number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera records perfectly steady video and performs better in dim light than most action cams thanks to its oversized image sensor. With a stick-like design and a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, DJI's third-generation handheld vlogging cam, the Osmo Pocket 3, $519, doesn't stray too far from the Pocket or the Pocket 2. This latest model captures exceptionally smooth and stable video, manages better low-light image quality than its predecessors thanks to an upgraded Type 1 sensor, and supports both widescreen and vertical output to social media. Vloggers should enjoy the pleasing color profiles and 4K 60 recording option, while expert creatives can take advantage of a 10-bit log profile. We're not thrilled about the price jump over the $349 Pocket 2, but the Pocket 3's improved performance, top-notch image quality, and excellent battery life help it earn our Editor's Choice Award for vlogging cameras nonetheless. As mentioned, the Osmo Pocket 3 follows earlier models in form and function. The video-first camera has a candy bar-like shape that makes it comfortable to handle and gets the same type of 3-axis gimbal system as DJI's drones. Number 2. Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 is a staggeringly versatile, rugged, and waterproof camera that can produce 360-degree stills and video, as well as more conventional single-camera action footage with resolution to spare. The Insta360 X5, $549.99, is the latest in the company's ever-expanding range of 360-degree and action cameras. While the core shooting specifications remain largely unchanged from its predecessor, the Insta360 X4, $499.99, the X5 has larger image sensors, user-replaceable lenses, improved waterproofing, a new wind guard, and longer battery life. Its mobile and desktop apps have received facelifts and added a number of AI-powered templates for swiftly editing and exporting stills and video. The X5 is a staggeringly versatile creative tool that can produce remarkable outputs with little effort, or breathtaking ones if you're willing to learn how to get the most from it, earning it our Editor's Choice Award for 360 cameras. The standard version of the Insta360 X5 costs $549.99 and includes the camera, a USB-C cable, a soft case, and a lens cloth. The Essentials bundle, $659.99, adds an additional battery, a fast charge case, a hard carry case, a lens cap, lens guards, and a 44.9-inch version of the invisible selfie stick that Insta360 is famous for. The camera's software recognizes the selfie stick and erases it, although shadows often betray its presence, which makes for the top-down, over-the-shoulder, and bird's-eye view footage Insta360 products are known for. Number 3. Sony ZV-E1. If you tend to shoot in uncontrolled environments, such as on the go in low light, a compact full-frame option like the Sony ZV-E1 is a sure bet. It's Sony's first full-frame vlogging cam with a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor that's optimized for low light, making it one of the best cameras for YouTube vlogging in dimmer or less controlled lighting conditions. On top of that, it can record at up to 120 frames per second in 4K, with internal 10-bit 4:2:2 capture, and has a remarkably effective autofocus system. There's no viewfinder here, but the camera includes a built-in directional mic and a fully articulated screen that makes it easy to monitor yourself, along with in-body image stabilization (IBIS) to help reduce camera shake. This is the ultimate vlog camera for the solo operator, with features designed to take the guesswork out of video production. Naturally, like the Panasonic Lumix GH7 above, it also comes at a premium price, so unless you're serious about making a career out of vlogging, it too will likely be overkill for your needs. There are more compact options out there, too, and the ZV-E1 overheats quickly during longer recording sessions. Keep reading if you're looking for a more affordable or compact option for on-the-go vlogging. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is the predecessor to the Sony ZV-E10 2 above. The new model has some notable improvements, particularly its internal recording capability and frame rate options, maxing out at 30 frames per second in 4K with a slight crop. However, it has a very reliable autofocus system, and it's notably cheaper, making it the best option for vloggers on a tight budget. Other than that, you should expect a similar design and feature set compared to the other Sonys we've mentioned here: no viewfinder, a 3-capsule vlogging mic, fully articulated screen, and the usual vlogging modes, like product showcase. If the formula works, it works. Ultimately, if you can live without those high frame rate options in 4K or internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color, then this is a great budget choice to get you started. Number 5. DJI Pocket 2. While interchangeable lens models give content creators the most flexibility, the DJI Pocket 2 is a unique all-in-one vlogging tool that won't break the bank. Unlike our other picks, it has a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal, so you can easily capture buttery smooth handheld footage without expensive stabilizers or gimbals. Did we mention the whole thing can fit in your back pocket? That alone makes this a worthy addition to the slew of different vlogging cameras today. Aside from its gimbal, its 1/1.7-inch sensor gives it better low-light performance than most cameras of its size, and it can shoot at up to 60 frames per second in 4K, with a slow-motion capture mode that records at up to 240 frames per second in 1080p. On top of that, there's an active track feature that can automatically follow a subject as they move around. While the DJI Pocket 3 improves upon the Pocket 2 even further, with a better sensor and processor, it's also significantly pricier, so the Pocket 2 model is one of the best cheap options to get you started with vlogging.